Hello, my name's Don Miller and I'm a membership officer for the Federation of Small Businesses. And if you're running a small business, we would love you to be a member. And there's lots of reasons for it, but I won't tell you what they are. Let our members tell you.
Yeah, my name's Ian Dyer and I run a farm shop and a venue. It's an old manor house that we do private dinner parties, bed and breakfast and the occasional wedding and special function. I'd say the main thing of member benefits I use is the Streamline and the helpline. The legal helpline has been, over the last 15 years, I probably used that half a dozen times, and it's been really helpful, and I think that's been worth the money in itself. And they're great to deal with, and they'll deal with all sorts of issues. It's been particularly useful when taking on people. They've emailed me sort of standard contracts of employment because we had to move into that area. But at the end of the day, in relation to the turnover of my business, it is relatively small change.
Well, my name's Ray Simmons. I'm a partner with a local firm of accountants. I joined basically because the networking and business generation side of the FSB, although very conscious of a lot of the benefits that are offered. I mean, for instance, on tax investigations, whilst that is a service that we offer in terms of subscribing to an insurance company premium, quite often you find that the cost of joining the FSB actually isn't a lot different from the cost that we charge for the tax investigations insurance. So they're actually better off joining the FSB.
My name's Paul, I'm a garage owner and a mechanic. Bit of security, anything goes wrong, you can always ring them up, they give you a voice and everything like that. So that's one of the reasons why we joined them. They're helpful. We got the card machine a lot cheaper. We've had a voice from their solicitors on helping us out on an engine. Yeah, well, it was worth joining because they sorted the machine out, the card machine, straight away. A lot of advice if you need it. You just got to ring them up. They always give you. They're always someone on the end of the phone.
My name's Patricia Marks, and I run a retail business for wedding gowns and evening wear. I joined the FSB about 6 years ago. So I went looking for the FSB because I looked for free banking. And the free banking came up if you were a member of the FSB. Because in the same year that I joined for the free banking, I then had a legal issue, and the legal helpline was just phenomenal. They solved the problem, and so from then on I started to look at the FSB a little bit differently and see what other services that they did offer. And it wasn't until I started joining things like the FSB where the networking, the peer networking at the FSB they're like my unofficial business family. Have a look at what the FSB's got to offer and see if it suits what you need.